Hello and welcome back or to the Sacred Gates Ascension podcast channel. My name is Illura. How many times a day do you feel controlled by your emotions? It can be very upsetting when we don't feel like we can control our emotions, and we're very then subject to external forces controlling us and our own forces ultimately controlling us, the substances of emotions, of these chemicals themselves. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on what we can do when we feel like we're being gripped by emotion, no matter what it is, no matter what has happened. We're never in an ideal functional state when we're being controlled by our emotions. So one thing that has helped me and continues to help when I feel emotions come up is to relax your body. Now, when I say relax, I don't mean like completely collapsing on a hammock and falling asleep to get away from your feelings and hope to wake up in a better space or just kind of distract yourself. What I mean by relaxation is to experience minimal tension, maximal relaxation, and a softening at a very deep level within the body's systems. What I mean by minimal tension is that we have as little tension as possible, but we maintain our physical structure so we don't like collapse, because that also doesn't help us emotionally, right? So what we want to do is to look at the joints. The joints are incredibly powerful parts of our body. And a lot of people don't know this, but the joints are like hollow bones, and they're transmitters, they're portals of information that link from point to point through the bones and through all the tendons and fascia. And when you learn how to relax your joints, it's extremely powerful, and there's a lot of spiritual development there for any of people that go through that on that path. So if you're feeling tense and you're starting to feel like your body's reacting to your emotions, one of the best things that you can do is just start to relax your body. So like I said, you don't collapse like that, but you relax inside of your structure, you relax inside of your form. So it might look something like this. Just say I'm really tense. I'm just trying to tense up my body, really tense. Creating more space within the body, more space within your mind, more space within the joints, more space in the dantians. Let's see that again. Let's do it again. Ready? So you can do it with me this time. Tense up. And kind of fake it a little bit if you're not feeling really tense. But there's always tension. There's always tension. Oh my gosh, always tension. Relax it. Relax it. Keep going. Watch that spectrum. Keep following it. Keep following the releasing path. Keep following it. Where else does it want to release? Maybe areas you weren't aware of. Keep following it. It's still going, right? That release path is still going. So just quickly, another way to do it, just so you can do it quickly to remind yourself, physically clench your fist really tight. Tight, 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 tight. Doesn't feel good, right? Tension doesn't feel good like that. So if you're feeling that and you've gotten upset, you can release it. So release it. And you can do that with your emotions by taking care of your physical body. The physical body educates the mind, educates the emotions, educates your karmic body too. There you go, release it. See how that feels better? Tense it again. Yeah, everything else tenses up, right? So when you relax one part, they also all relax as well. So just notice that. As you relax your fist, your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder, let it go down to your lower back, your quads. Yeah, your mind is a joint as well in many ways. Not like a physical joint, but it is a joint, and you can release that as well. There you go. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.